In a moment that left everyone in shock, King Oyum took the stage to publicly address the swirling rumors surrounding her relationship with Lee Min-ho. Fans were truly astonished to hear her speak about it, and as the world ensured, the speculation started to transform into reality. The atmosphere was charged with anticipation as fans grabbed with the revelation that the rumors might indeed be turning into something more substantial. The unexpected public discussion added an extra layer of intrigue to the unfolding narrative, leaving fans eagerly awaiting what comes next in this unfold saga. Stay tuned as we upload the full video. Watch video here now.